Hi, babies. Yay! Oh, video Meg, oh, Meg. Say hello. Hi.
Hi.
Laki ng kita nyo dito, no? Talaga itong mga to.
Sa pagkain lang po yan, ma'am.
Talaga? Ah, kaya pala eh.
Pagkain lang itatalurin na kami.
I hear the song.
Tumuko na nga yung iba. Maraming kabayo to eh.
You know, I already saw that.
Oh.
And then they're throwing flowers to make somebody going to die.
Ay, bumibili siya pag
Oh, oh.
See?
Pampain pala yan.
See there. That's
Buti hindi sila nagwawala.
Oh! Oh! Hindi ka.
Buti hindi nagwawala.
somebody will
Hindi
die.
naman.
Huh?
Pag hindi ito maputol ka kahila ko, hindi yan magwawala. Pag maputol yan, nangyari.
Ay, nako.
I'm going to see Jesus there.
Anong pangalan mo?
Jesus, it will be sad. How come?
Oh, look at the horse tail, oh. It's long. I like that hair. I wanna put it in here.
They can have long hair.
Yeah.
So when they touch their hair, they said, they just came from the horse. I like it. I like the song. They're gonna keep moving.
Mahal palang pagkain ng ano, no, kabayo. Kala ko basta damo lang.
Okay, we're almost
Iba na.
there, right?
Ang bibili ako, damo, binibili.
Let's get
Ay,
Babe,
oh.
binibili. Yung darak, binibili.
Ang galing.
Oh, oh.
Di ba sila
Oh,
nahihirapan na?
oh.
Siguro na.
Oh.
Bakit yun?
Oh, oh.
Wow, I like that hair.
Hoy, gago ka. Ah, ah.
That horse is
Bigla ka ngayon.
Bumalik na ako! Bumalik na!
Oh, puto.